my habitat. Halloween's only a week away, so let's get into the spirit by making a Halloween wreath. Let's get started. The overall theme for our wreath is going to be skulls and some florals. Mainly the florals are there just to bring some color because we have a black door, and for some reason I decided to go with black felt to tie on along the wreath formation as our kind of base. Starting off with the base, now I'm just going to very simply take little strips of black felt, tie these strips of black felt on. Okay, that took a long time. It kind of also made me switch up my design. I was gonna go rather heavy with everything all the way around, but as I was kind of like tying them all on, this is the idea I'm going for, is I'm gonna set these in between each grouping of felt. So I'll have one of these here, one of them here, and then one over here. And then at the base down here, I have a big skull that I'll be kind of placing there, and I'll be working all of the florals around the big skull. First thing I need to do is cut off the back of the skulls so they lay flat and they're not hitting my door all night long. That would suck. To make it easy to attach my skulls to my wreath form, I'm just gonna very simply put some hot glue to the inside of the skull and a little piece of black wire.
Ooh, scary.
Very happy with how this is turning out so far. Now at the base here, I'm going to fill up with all of these florals and fun little kind of textile things to bring in a lot of color. Okay, almost done. This is turning out fantastic, better than I even thought. All I have to do now is just tie a little bit more black felt just above each flower side. All finished up, let's go put it on the front door. Love how this turned out. I want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget, have a very, very happy Halloween.